how much should you actually spend on electric scissors? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Fiskars Pro Power Arc Shears. Let's kick things off with the Fiskars Pro Power Arc Shop Shears. These heavy-duty stainless steel scissors caught my eye because they promise 30% more cutting power. If you're looking for something that can tackle tough materials, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the Power Arc technology, which really does make cutting through thick cardboard or fabric a breeze. Think about it. If you're working on construction or crafting, you need tools that don't just look good, but actually perform. The extended tang and serrated blades ensure a smooth cut without separation, so you can focus on your project instead of struggling with your tools. Plus, they're built from durable stainless steel, which means rust is less likely to be a problem. Now, I have to mention one thing. Some users reported that the blades can be a bit stiff out of the box. Here's the thing though, with a little use, they loosen up and start to perform beautifully. If you're someone who needs heavy-duty scissors that can last a lifetime, the trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're involved in heavy crafting or construction. Skip this one if you just need something for light paper cutting. For the price, you're getting a tool that's built to last. Now, if that stiffness bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Fantic C8 Nano Easy Swap. The Fantic C8 Nano Easy Swap cordless electric scissors. Priced at $49.99, it's designed for efficiency and ease. If you're tired of using regular scissors and want something that makes cutting effortless, this is worth considering. With a powerful motor that delivers cutting speeds up to 230 RPM, these scissors can tackle thin cardboard, fabrics, and even leather. Imagine being able to cut through materials without the tedious back and forth motion. The 3 speed settings let you adjust according to your needs, making it versatile for everything from crafting to quick repairs. The LED display is super helpful too. It gives you real-time battery life and speed settings, so you're never left guessing. But I'll be real with you, some users found the LED lights a bit too bright for their liking. While that might be a minor issue, it's something to consider if you're sensitive to bright lights. However, the convenience and cutting power make it a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you're a designer or DIY enthusiast who values efficiency. Skip it if you only need scissors for occasional use. For the price, it strikes a good balance between quality and performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for speed and power.
Product number 3, Zeit 4V Cordless Electric Scissors. The Zeit 4V cordless electric scissors are up next, and they're priced at $35.99. What caught my attention is their self-sharpening blade feature. If you want something that lasts and cuts efficiently, this is worth a look. These scissors cut through materials up to a 1/4 inch thick at speeds of 260 RPM, which is pretty impressive. Whether you're cutting cardboard or even flower stems, this tool is built to handle it. The special handle design not only enhances control, but also protects your hands from accidental cuts. Plus, the safety lock is a nice touch. You don't have to hold it the whole time while cutting, which is great for extended use. That said, some users mentioned that the battery life could be improved, especially for larger projects. But honestly, for regular home use or DIY tasks, it holds up just fine. Plus, the self-sharpening feature means less hassle down the line. This is perfect for you if you need an easy-to-use scissor for multiple materials. Skip this if you're looking for something heavy-duty. At this price point, it's a solid choice that delivers good value. Now, if you're looking for something with even more power, the next one might just surprise you.
Product number 4, Fantic C10 Pro Bow Guide. We have the Fantic C10 Pro Bow Guide electric cardboard cutter, priced at $69.99. I was drawn to its dual-speed feature and powerful cutting ability. If you need something that can handle thicker materials, this is definitely worth your attention. This tool boasts a powerful magnetic motor that cuts through materials up to 0.39 inches thick at 600 RPM. That speed is a real time saver, especially if you're working on larger projects. Plus, the bi-directional cutting means no more jams, just clean cuts every time. The LED display is another great feature. It lets you monitor battery life and speed settings easily. However, some users pointed out that the blade change process could be a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's a quick process that saves you time in the long run. This is perfect for you if you often work with various materials and need efficiency. Skip it if you're looking for something lightweight for minor tasks. Overall, you're investing in a tool that can handle big jobs with ease.
Now, if that price tag feels a bit steep, the last product on the list offers something unique.
Product number 5, Size Jizz Upgrade Electric Scissors. We have the Size Jizz Upgrade Cordless Electric Scissors. At just $29.99, these scissors offer a great balance of performance and affordability. If you want a reliable cutting tool without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. The high-torque 350 RPM motor makes cutting through materials like cardboard and leather feel effortless. Plus, the self-sharpening tungsten steel blades mean you won't need to replace them as often. The noise level is also a plus. Operating under 60 dB means it's quieter than many traditional cutters, making it ideal for home or office use. That said, some users felt it could use more power for really tough materials, but honestly, for everyday tasks, it performs well and is user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip it if you need a tool for heavy-duty use. You get solid performance at a price that's hard to beat.
So there you have it. The Fiskars Fantic C8 Nano, Zeit Fantic C10 Pro, and Syzgic electric scissors. Each has its own strengths, whether it's heavy-duty power, ease of use, or budget friendliness. Think about what you need, and you'll find the right tool for your cutting tasks.